It's over here. Good morning from Brussels, where the sun is shining for the first time since we've been here for like 4 days. We're at the train station about to head to Bruges for a day trip, which we're really excited about. So we'll see you there. After jumping off the train, we walked down quaint streets and past St. Salvator's Cathedral on our way to the city center. Alright, so we've made it to Bruges, and so far, first impressions are good. We eventually made it to the medieval historic center of Bruges. We started in the market square, which is a great place for a meal at one of the many restaurants, and is dominated by the Belfry Tower at 83 meters tall. You are able to climb to the top for amazing views, but spots are limited each day. It also features prominently in the movie In Bruges, which was worth a watch before your trip to the city. Essentially connected to the market square is the Burg Square. This is a must-stop to see the astonishing 14th century City Hall building, the Court of Justice, and the Basilica of the Holy Blood, which houses cloth said to have the blood of Jesus on it. Okay, we're coming up on the Rozenhoedkaai, which is the most famous photograph spot in Bruges. This is pretty. After taking some pictures, we opted to ditch our walking tour and instead see the city by boat. I highly recommend a boat tour when you visit. Not only is it very popular, but it provides a unique way to see the sights.
Ici à droite, les maisons typiques, avec les petits escaliers au-dessus, typiquement pour les Flandres et Hollande. Aussi à Gand et Amsterdam, that is the flag of Bruges itself, the blue line. In front of us, when we pass the two bridges, you're going to see appear the old Palace of Justice with the little red pigeon towers on top. It's here he jumped out of the window for one of the scenes.
The tour was probably around 45 minutes long. Our guide pointed out several beautiful and interesting points along the way. This included Audrey Hepburn's Belgian home, the backside of the Court of Justice, the hotel featured in Bruges, the Church of Our Lady, the old hospital and the door the bodies used to be taken out of, the revered swans of Bruges, and a bridge with dangerously low clearance.
Beaucoup à faire dans le bâtiment maintenant. There's lots of stuff going on in this building nowadays. But sometimes they can be quite aggressive. On the other hand, all the ducks you see everywhere in our city, completely renovated now. It's a museum where you can see how the people lived in the medieval years.
Well, we just did a boat tour, had a little chocolate back in the Grote market, and got all sorts of construction and maybe some sort of an event, so sort of killing the vibe of this place a little bit. What can you do? Oh. All right, we just stepped into the Historium where you get to do a short VR tour.
How are you? Oh. I don't know. Oh no. I have to take my hat off.
So just switch.
I'm going for it. Okay, it's on and it's dark. Okay, so we just left the Historium, which is right off of the Grote Market, and we did a virtual reality tour through the Middle Ages. It was only 8 minutes long, it was a couple bucks, and pretty cool. It actually took you back into time and showed you what Bruges would have looked like 500 years ago. It's called the Historium, check it out. After the Historium, we had pretty much finished our shopping, eating, and sightseeing at the Grote Market Square. We started our way back to the train station, but made it a point to stop by De Haveman Brewery, which literally pumps beer under the streets of Bruges to local bars. From there, we checked out the gates to the city and the spectacularly beautiful Beguinage area, a convent for religious women. Nice. Love the flowers. We're back at the train station in Bruges, across the street, and we're wrapping up our day here. We're here on a Monday in early April, and the city is really busy. To climb up the Belfry Tower and to get a tour at the De Haveman Brewery had several hours of wait time, so we decided to skip both of those. But in general, Bruges gets a big thumbs up from me. The boat tour was a lot of fun, and it's just a beautiful city. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.